This is my late addition to the celebration of spring with the Artist Spotlight collaboration, Color Me Joyful, along with the Creative Art Collective as usual. Let's pour with Patty. Thank you so much for joining me on this wild and wacky ride as I learn the joys and share with you the wonders of creating with fluid art. Stick around, let's have some fun, and as always, keep creating. Let's pour. I have a vision. This one is also going to be a part of the collaboration for the Artist Spotlight Collective. For the Artist Spotlight with the Paint Pour Academy, brought to you by Erica Tini. And I kind of want to do something to this effect also. The theme is summer, beachy. So I might be biting off more than I can chew on this one, but I'm going to give it a go and see what I can do. I think I can do it. I'm thinking beach or ocean sunset. That's what I'm thinking. Ocean sunset. Now let's see if I can pull it off. Okay. Just going to use this to kind of mark where I want my sun to come up. Or I guess technically it would be going down. So I'm going to think somewhere right around here. Just like that. Okay, from here I just start laying out the colors. First color is Amsterdam's Prussian Blue. Next up, and yes, this is a little bit sped up, but not much, only times 2. And this color is Amsterdam's Ultramarine Blue. I wanted to go the heaviest with that one for the ocean colors because, well, I love it. And I mean, it is ultramarine, right? Doesn't that mean ocean? So anyways, I squirted it along the edges there, hoping that it will help to cover the sides evenly. And now we have Amsterdam's Cobalt Blue. Deco Art's True Blue. What's next? Oh, a little more of the Prussian Blue. Trying to get depth in my water. And then this Artist Loft Metallic Blue. I think it's Metallic Cobalt Blue. I can't remember. But, oh my god, I love that color. It's actually a custom one because it's mixed with something else. I can't remember. A little bit more marine blue, ultramarine blue. Now it's time to blow it out. Now I want to only blow mostly in a downward direction because I don't want it to go up into the rest of the painting. I do have to get it all the way up to that line and then blow back through. Now my hair dryer is on high, but it is also set on the cool. I keep blowing it out, trying to get good solid coverage. So from here, let me just put on some music and let you enjoy the process. See you on the other side. I think I'm loving it. Just gotta go around and fix my corners and edges. I'm loving it. This is exactly what I had in mind. Beautiful. Let's do a flyover. Let's do a flyover. I am so happy with it. I hope it dries. I think I got enough paint off. We shall see. But that's my ocean sunset. We've got some beautiful effects going on here. The sky is on fire. Wow. Oh, just stunning. All right. Fingers crossed it dries right. Thank you so much for joining me in the celebration of spring energy in fluid art. Color Me Joyful, brought to you by the Paint Pouring Academy Artist Spotlight Collaboration. Also, here are places that I will be from now through August. If you find yourself in the area, stop by and say hi. This dried perfectly. I'm so thrilled with its outcome. There was no cracking, no bubbling, no nothing. Oh, I need to work on my horizon a little bit, yeah. But look at that sky. That thing is on fire. Oh, it just inspires me. There's so many things I want to try with this technique. Yeah, I think I like that sun. And next time those are going to be my flower colors. Those pinks and those purples. And maybe do some yellow and red in the background instead. I don't know. I'm going to play around with it a few more times. I want to give a huge shout out to Polly Prissy Pants Sally on Facebook. It is her technique that is inspiring me to keep trying different ways. And as always, thank you for joining the Creative Art Collective every Saturday, starting off with the beautiful Taslima Maya Art. Her link is in my description, followed by me, and then to close us off, Sheldon Briscoe of Shell Rock Art. All links are in my description. Thank you so much for all your love and support. The fact that you come around and watch every week means the world to me. And be sure, if you haven't yet, to leave a like, a comment, share, and subscribe. And as always, keep creating. I'll see you next time. Bye.